How to use Clorox as a weed killer. Weeds are every gardener's nightmare. They can create havoc in yards, gardens, and even on concrete. Although there are numerous methods and solutions to kill weeds, one of the most effective is good, old-fashioned Clorox bleach. Things you will need: Clorox bleach, spray bottle. How to use Clorox as a weed killer. Purchase a bottle of full concentrated bleach. The most concentrated brand Clorox has been shown to be the most successful when it comes to getting rid of weeds, most likely due to the harshness and the concentration of chemicals. Also buy a spray bottle that will be used to spray the bleach. The size is not important, however. Ensure that the spray bottle can effectively spray in a mist over a wide area. Pour the bleach directly into the bottle as is. Avoid making contact between skin and the bleach. You can either wear gloves or use a funnel to avoid spilling the bleach on yourself. Spray the weeds with the bleach. Attempt to spray only on the weeds that you want to kill and avoid anything that you don't want to harm, as bleach can be hazardous to anything it touches in the yard or garden. A commonly used technique is to spray towards the base of the weed, as that is the area that will need to be most thoroughly covered. Alternate between using the mist spray on the entire weed and then the direct spray on the roots and base of the weed. Repeat 2 to 3 times on all the weeds and then leave. Check 1 to 3 days later and ensure that the weeds are dead. If they are not, then repeat the steps. However, normally, the bleach works to effectively kill the weeds. After the weeds are dead, feel free to pull the weeds out of the ground. Pulling becomes extremely easy when the weeds are dead. Tips: warnings. Avoid skin contact with bleach.